In today's video, we will review the membership module within the Focus and Focus-NEX software. This module can be used for frequent bowler, VIP bowler systems, point earning program, adding money or games to a magnetic card, a barcode, or fingerprint, tracking league bowlers, as well as assigning lockers to your bowlers. To access the membership module, we'll simply go to the left-hand side and click on the membership button in the taskbar. Once you're in the membership module, you will see a list of all the members that are currently in the system. You can import bowlers from various different systems down on the bottom. You can assign or configure points. You can add, edit, or delete bowlers, as well as a quick edit feature, which allows you to quickly go through in a spreadsheet view and edit the bowler's information. To add a bowler, we simply click on the green button, Add Member, and we can add a member into the system. We can type in their first name, last name, birth date, gender, various information on that member. We can also edit a member. Select a member, click the Edit Member button, and you can go in and edit the information for this bowler or this member. You can set their name, email address, website, birth date. You can add notes to the member. You can set an expiration date. This would be useful if you're coming up with a program for frequent bowlers or VIP where possibly the membership expires. You can track their address, home, work, phone numbers, spouse information, what leagues they bowl in. So you can select scratch, mixed, men, winter. You can have their ID number for the various sanctioned leagues. You can assign a card or barcode or fingerprint to this member. Once those have been done, you can also add payment. So you can add money or games to a member's card or barcode. You can set if this card is going to be used for personal or multiple, meaning it could only be used for that member, or it can be used for that member and anyone else that is with that member. So if you assign a special rate to a member, can that member rate be assigned to that member on the lane only or anyone else that's bowling with him? You can also assign days of the week and the time zones that these are valid. And so you can select from the drop down and add the start and stop time by clicking the plus. You can also copy it if you assign it to one day and it's going to be the same for the rest of the week. You can assign discounts in the time games, pro shop, or restaurant areas. So if you wanted to assign a discount to a member as well, you can simply edit that number in there and enable it. It will show on here how many points the member has. To assign a card, you simply click on this card tab and you can either swipe the card, assigning it and telling it when is this card, when will it expire. If it was a barcode, you can scan the barcode on the card or a little key tag, however you wanted to use it. Fingerprint, if you wanted to utilize a fingerprint reader, you can scan their fingerprint into the system, and then they would just simply have to put their finger on every time they wanted to use their membership account. You can track Their lockers. This member doesn't have a locker. We'll go back and show you that. Purchases, any purchases that were made by this member, as well as amounts history. So you can say uh, view when were various amounts or games added onto this member's account. And so here we show that in February, 100 games or 1,000 frames were added to this member's account. And you can also keep track of their games that they've bowled at your center and print those out. When you have completed making any changes, you simply click Save and Exit. If you have a member that is assigned a locker, you click on Edit Member. Now this locker tab is highlighted and it would show what locker this member is assigned, when was it rented on, and when does it expire. This allows you to just go in and review that information for this member. Within the locker module is where you would assign the actual locker. Points configuration allows you to come in and configure how you want to assign or reward the members points based off of how much money they spend in your center or how many frames or games they bowl in your center. So for example, you can set it to, for every dollar they'll earn 1 point, and then those points can be redeemed, and say 100 points equals $1. Then save and exit. This would allow the members to earn points and also get those points back as far as spending those points within your center and redeeming them. There is also a search capability, so you can come in here and type in the first few letters of a name and hit search, and it allows you to search and find a member quickly and be able to see if a member is in your system. And so that gives you a lot of different capabilities there. If you once a member is created, you can use that member on the bowling lanes. And assigning a member, you can swipe their card. It'll automatically place that member on a lane. And now when we go to open the lane, it will automatically assign the special rate that was assigned to this user. Or you can also utilize this within our point of sale to assign a discount. So if a member was ordering some food and they have a discount, currently the price is $7.24, you swipe their card and it would show that a 10% discount is being assigned to this member, and it shows a discount of 68 cents. Now the total has gone down to $6.51, and you can collect the money. So there's various ways that the system can use the membership. You can also assign it for employee discount for food. If we edit this member, go to payments, a lot of times the bowling centers will have an employee discount for food, either when they're working or at all times. So you can set one account to track that, or you can assign a membership account for each individual employee and then assign them the 50% or whatever the discount is for your food discount for employees. The membership can also be used without the card by doing a member search. So if we go up to the top on the point of sale screen it'll let you do a search for a member, and here's the employee discount, and now it shows it's 50% off. Oh, and you would be able to apply that 50% off discount. There we have the correct amount, 50% off. So there's a lot of different uses bowling centers are trying to implement within this membership um, system. And your members can also be brought in from your league bowlers automatically. In the configuration of the leagues, we can set all of your league bowlers to automatically be imported in as you're sending the leagues out. So those are some various um, uses of the membership. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us and we can explain any further detail or connect over to your center if you already have our system and assist you with the implementation of these features. Have a great day.